Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into a car that's redefining open-air luxury. Say hello to the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL. When you think of a roadster, performance and style come to mind, but when Mercedes-Maybach puts their touch on it, you're entering a whole new league of automotive excellence. At first glance, the 2026 Maybach SL is a stunner. It's bold, elegant, and undeniably luxurious. It retains the SL's sporty silhouette but is draped in Maybach refinement, the chrome accents, a distinctive vertical slat grille, and an exclusive two-tone paint finish that screams opulence. The soft top roof is still present, offering open-air freedom with just the push of a button, but it's now quieter and quicker than ever before. Under the hood, the 2026 SL Maybach doesn't hold back. It's expected to feature a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, delivering around 600 horsepower, paired with the silky smooth 9-speed automatic transmission. Power is sent to all four wheels via 4MATIC plus all-wheel drive, ensuring confidence on any surface. But this isn't just about speed, it's about how effortlessly it delivers it. The ride is smooth, the handling sharp, and the performance refined, making it a grand tourer in every sense. Step inside, and you're wrapped in absolute luxury. The interior is a masterclass in craftsmanship. Nap leather covers almost every surface, accented by polished metal and fine wood trim. The seats offer massage, ventilation, and heating, tailored to pamper every passenger. The ambient lighting and Maybach exclusive detailing make it feel more like a private lounge than a car. Even the rear seats are yes. This SL offers usable rear seating and are crafted with attention to every detail. Tech-wise, the SL is loaded. The Maybach's infotainment system features a large OLED touchscreen with Maybach-specific graphics, rear seat entertainment, voice-activated controls, and a 3D Burmester surround sound system transform every journey into a concert on wheels. Advanced driver assistance systems ensure you're not just riding in style, but also in safety. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL is more than a car, it's an experience. It blends the thrill of a convertible with the comfort of a limousine, creating a category of its own. For those who want to cruise in supreme luxury without compromising on performance, this is your ultimate ride. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more legendary rides.